Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today we'll start the new topic, exploring fractions. Okay. Today we'll learn the basic concepts of fractions. Okay. This is not from the book. This is for your knowledge. Okay. First of all, what is numerator? What is numerator? The top number of a fraction is called the numerator. The top number of a fraction. So fraction is what? Suppose if I write it 5 over 9. 5 over 9 is a fraction. So the top number, up number is called a numerator, and the down number, that means bottom number, this is top and bottom. The bottom number of a fraction is called denominator. Okay, so the top number of a fraction is called numerator and the bottom number of a fraction is called denominator. Okay, now this is the fraction. This is called a fraction. So again, one more time, the top number of a fraction is called numerator and the bottom number, that means the down number, is called a denominator. Now what is proper fraction? What is proper fraction? In a proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator should be less than the denominator. Look at here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So this is less or not? 3 is less than 5, correct or not? If I write it 3 and here is the 7, if we compare both, 3 is the smaller than 7. Again, if I write it 5 and 10, and 5 is the smaller than 10. If I write 10 and 15, then 10 is the smaller than 15. So you can remember like this way also. Okay. So like your exam marks, if you check it, your exam marks, if you check every time exam marks, suppose total marks are 15, you got 10. So 10 out of 15, it's possible. I can say that. But I cannot say that 15 out of 10. Can I say that 15 out of 10? How it's possible? The total marks are 10 and you will get it 15. How it is possible? It is not possible ever. Okay. So remember, always the proper fraction means always the total, the big number is the down and the small number is up. That is called proper fraction. Now coming to the improper fraction. In improper fraction, there are two conditions. Numerator is more than the denominator or equal to the denominator. Like a numerator is greater than the denominator, that means numerator should be more than the denominator, or it is equal. Now I change this one, 7 over 3. So this is, look at here, improper fraction. How it is possible? Supposing that you have 3 chocolates, how can it is possible to eat 7 chocolates? Because you have only 3. Like here in the question, you have 7 chocolates. Out of 7, you can eat 3, remaining 4 are left. No problem, right? But here, total are 7. Always I told you the total should be in the denominator. The total chocolates are 3. How can you eat here 7? So that is called improper fraction. So 10 out of 5, 15 out of 10. Okay, look at here, all are. If you compare 15 and 10, so 15 is the big number. So numerator is greater than denominator. But here 12 by 12, 35. So suppose in a term exam, you know that the total marks are 35, right? Is it possible to get 35? Why it is improper? Remember, every time, whenever numerator and denominator, if it is equal, the answer is 1. Why? Because 2 divided by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? 2 ones are 2, right or no? So the remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 1 only. So whenever any number, suppose if I write 15 divided by 5, 15, it is equal to 1. So this is not a fraction, this is a whole number. That's why we can say that improper fraction. Okay. But it is possible. It is not possible. 7 over 3, 10 over 5, 15 over 10, not possible. Suppose the total marks are 10, how you will get 15? It's not possible. But these are possible. But why it is called improper fraction? Because whenever numerator and denominator, if it is equal, then we can say that the answer is 1. The answer is 1. That's why we can say that sometimes it is improper fraction. Now mixed numbers. What is mixed number? A whole number and a proper fraction. So this is the whole number or not? What is the whole number means? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means without decimal. That is called whole number. Understand? Without decimal, like 1, 2 exactly. So 2 is the whole number and a proper fraction. Look at it. This is the proper fraction. Why? Because 1 out of 3. It's possible. You have 3 chocolates and you want to eat 1 chocolate. So it is possible. So 2 out of 3. And the next one is 5, 3 over 7. So write it 5 exactly, and in the middle is the line 3 out of 7. So it is a whole number and a proper fraction combined together. Okay. Again, one more time, whole number and a proper fraction. It's not improper. Okay. Proper fraction combined together is called a mixed number. Okay. So you have a homework. You have to practice properly so that it is easy for the next class. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the next class. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.